Students, yesterday we are learned practice set 5.2. In practice set 5.2, all the problems were completed. Today we are going to learn practice set 5.3. So let's start the practice set 5.3 with question number 1. So whatever be the question number 1, just see. Angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis are given. Find the slope of the line. So what you want to find out? You want to find out the slope of the line. So all of the students remember that when they are said angle, means when they are given to you angle and they are said you can find out the slope, then you can find out the tan theta. You can find out the tan theta. Means angle made by the line by positive direction of x-axis are given. Find the slope of this line. So if you want to find out slope and they are given angular value of the theta, if they are given theta, then you can find out the tan theta. Means angle is given and they are said find the slope, then you have to use the tan theta. If some of the students don't understand, then I am saying Marathi. If जर त्यांनी आपल्याला थीटा दिला असेल, म्हणजे अँगल दिला असेल, थीटा दिला असेल आणि त्याचा स्लोप काढायला सांगितलं, तर आपण टॅन थीटा वापरायचं आहे. ओके, सो सी आर थीटा इज गिवन 45 degree. So you want to find out the slope. Angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis, theta is 45 degree. So there is x-axis, angular measure of the theta is 45 degree. So you want to find out slope. So slope is equal to tan theta. See here, slope of the line is equal to tan theta. So whatever is the name of line, that means we give you, or you can directly write slope. Slope of line is equal to tan theta. So here is the theta value you have substituted. This is the formula for slope. Slope of line is equal to tan theta. I am already explaining you when they are given theta and they are said you can find out the slope, then you are finding the tan theta. So slope of line is equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to what? 45. So tan theta is equal to 45. So here is write tan 45 degree. So tan 45 degree. So whatever is the tan 45 degree, we are learning in 9th standard. So you know how can you find out the tan 45 values. So tan 45 is equal to 1. So slope of the 45 is 1. Do you understand? Then we are slope of the line is 1. Then second problem, there is theta is equal to given 60 degree. Okay, in this problem they are given theta is equal to 60 degree. So if they are given theta and they are said you can find out the slope of the line. So if they are said to find the slope of the line, then slope of the line is equal to tan theta. So such a way we are write here the formula. Slope of the line is equal to tan theta. See, the x-axis theta is equal to 60 degree. So slope of the line is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to 60. So here is tan 6 theta. So tan theta is equal to 60. So I write here tan 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. So here is I write root 3. So slope of the line is equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to 60. So tan 60 is equal to root 3. Then slope of the given line. Slope of the given line is root 3. Do you understand? Because tan 60 value is root 3. So you want to find out slope of theta. So slope of line is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to 60. So tan 60 value is root 3. So slope of the line is root 3. Then another 90 degree. The theta is given 90 degree. And then said you can find out the slope of the line. So when they are given angular measure, means when they are given theta, then you can find out slope of the line is equal to tan theta. So angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis is equal to 90 degree. So slope of line is equal to tan theta. So slope of line is equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to how many? 90 degree. So substitute the value tan 90 degree. So tan 90 degree is undefined, means we cannot define it, whatever be the value of that. So slope of the line is not defined. Not defined means you cannot know the value of the 90. Which 90? Tan 90. So we cannot know the slope of the line m is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to 90. So tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree value we don't know. So here is we write here not defined. Then problem number, so slope of the line is not defined. So question number 2. So this is the theta given and find out the slope, then you can use tan theta. कळलं का की जर आपल्याला कोणताही थीटा दिला असेल आणि त्याचा स्लोप काढायला सांगितलं तर आपण नेहमी tan theta वापरायचं. ओके, देन फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ लाइन्स पासिंग द गिवन पॉइंट्स. So here is you want to find out the slope of line, that line passing the given points. So here is the A point given. So the A point is 2, 3 and B points for A points coordinates are 2, 3 and B points coordinates are 4, 7. So it is x1 2, y1 3. It is x2 4, y2 7. So slope of line is equal to, it is already we read x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, y2 is 7. So here is you want to find out slope of the line. So slope of line AB. So slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1. Formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is the slope given. Slope of line is equal to what they are said, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is the formula of slope. Anyone doubts? This is the formula of slope. Slope of line y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Substitute the y2 value 7, y1 value 3, 7 minus 3, x2 value 4, x1 value 2. So 4 minus 4. So here is 7 minus 3, what is remains 4. 4 minus 2, what is remains 2. So here is 7 minus 3, answer is 4. 4 minus 2, answer is 2. 2 is divided 4. 2 2 ja 4. So slope of line is 2. So slope of line AB is equal to 2. Are you understand how can find out? It is very easy and very simple to find out the slope, because only we have given the 2 points, that coordinates you are given name x1 y1, it is x2 y2. So x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, y2 is 7. Then we have right here that's values here. Then slope of line is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is equal to what? See here 7. So I write here y2 value 7. y1 is equal to what? 3. So I write here 3. x2 is equal to what here? 4. So I write here 4. x1 is equal to what here? 2. So I write here 2. 7 minus 3, what is remains 4. 4 minus 2, what is remain 2. 2 2 ja 4. So slope of line AB is equal to 2. Such a way. Then problem number second. See, P coordinates minus 3 1. Q coordinates 5 minus 2. So it is x1 minus 3. It is y1 3 1. It is x2 5. It is y2 minus 2. So this is giving the numbers, and here is we are right also that x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 5, y2 is equal to minus 2. Such a way we are right here, that's what we say. Then we are you finding the slope of PQ. So slope of line PQ. Slope of line PQ is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is the formula to find out the slope of line. So formula is slope of line PQ. Slope of line PQ is equal to y2. What is the y2? Minus 2. So here is we substitute minus 2. Minus y1. What is the y1? 1. So here is we write 1. Then x2. What is the x2? 5. So here is we write 5. Minus x1. What is the x1? Minus 3. Such a way we have substituted the value. y2 is equal to minus 2. So I write here minus 2. y1 is equal to 1. So I write here 1. x2 is equal to 5. So I write here 5. Minus sign remain as it is. x1 is equal to minus 3. So I am put here minus 3. So 2 is negative, 1 is negative, sign are same. Y minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So we are getting minus 3. Out of bracket negative sign. So minus 3 become plus 3. So here is 3 is negative. 5 plus 3 8. So minus 3 upon 8. This is the slope of theta. We are just finding our find. Then we are finding the slope of C and D. So we must be find the slope of C and D. So C coordinates are 5 minus 2. So x1 is 5 and y1 is minus 2. x2 is 7 and y2 is 3. So this is the coordinates we are right here. So solution C. So that is the x1 is equal to 5 and y1 is equal to minus 2. x2 is equal to 7, y2 is equal to 3. And that is substituting here. See here, x1 is 5, y1 is minus 2, x2 is 7 and y2 is 3. Okay, so what you want to find out? You want to find out the slope of CD. So here is the right slope of CD. Slope of CD is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope of line CD is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here is substitute the value y2. See here, y2 is 3. So here is I write 3. Negative sign. So here is give negative sign. y1 is equal to what? Minus 2. So here is I write y1 minus 2. Then x2. What is the x2? 7. So I write here 7. Then x1 is equal to what? 5. So out of bracket negative sign. So minus 2 become plus 2. So 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. So 5 upon 2. So here is, you understand how it is plus, because out of bracket negative sign. So minus 2 become plus 2. So here is plus 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 upon 2. So slope of line CD is equal to 5 upon 2. Okay. Then this is the L points coordinate minus 2, minus 3. M points coordinates minus 6, minus 8. So here is we are giving name for that. x1 is minus 2, y1 is minus 3, x2 is minus 6, y2 is minus 8. Then here is we are substituting the value again. x1 is equal to minus 2, y1 is equal to minus 3, x2 is equal to minus 6, y2 is equal to minus 8. So slope of line LM is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so slope of line LM is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is equal to what? Minus 8. So here is where I write minus 8. Middle term sign negative. So I write here negative. y1 is equal to what? Minus 3. So here is we are substitute minus. x2 is equal to minus 6. So here is I write minus 6. Middle term sign negative. So I am giving here negative. x1 is minus 2. So I write here minus 2. So here is 8 is negative. So I write 8 negative. Out of bracket negative sign. So minus 3 become plus 3. So here is minus 8 plus 3. Minus 6 remain as it is. Out of bracket negative sign. So minus 2. That is the minus 2 that become plus 2 because out of bracket negative sign. So out of bracket negative sign. So minus 2 is become plus 2. See, if you don't understand, I will again explain you. y2 is equal to minus 8. So I write here minus 8. Negative sign carry as it is. y1 is equal to minus 3. So I write here minus 3. x2 is equal to minus 6. So I write here minus 6. Minus sign remain as it is. x1 is equal to minus 2. So write here minus 2. So minus 8 remain as it is. Out of bracket negative sign. Minus 3 become plus 2. Minus 8 plus 3. Minus 6 remain as it is. Out of bracket negative sign. So minus 2 become plus 2. 8 negative, 3 positive. Sign are not same. Subtract. 8 minus 3 what is remains? Minus 5. 6 minus 2 what is remains? 4. So minus 5 upon minus 4. Bigger number sign. So both having negative sign means numerator is also negative and denominator is also negative. So both having negative sign. So negative sign is cancel here. So it become positive. So 5 upon 4. Are you understand? This is the slope of line LM 5 upon 4. Such a way we are seen in practice set 5.3. Problem number 1. When theta is given, then how can you find out slope with help of tan theta? Then we are seen if the 2 points are given and you want to find out slope of that line, Their slope formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay. In practice set 5.3, there is another formula also in slope. So you must be remember when which formula is using. When theta is given, then you can find out tan theta to find out the slope. When 2 points are given and they are said, you can find out the line of that slope, then you are using the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here is there are given the 2 points. So here is you are also using formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So with help of that you can find out slope of EF and slope of PS also. So I think that all the problem whatever we I taught to you that you are understand very well. So that can be checked with help of homework. So you can be do your homework and send me on my WhatsApp numbers. Okay, have a nice day. And till some of the students are not subscribe the channel, so that students subscribe channel. And if all of the students are subscribe the channel, then share this video with your friends of the 10th standard of 10B or another school also. So share this video and say them to subscribe it. Stay home, stay safe and do study hard. Bye.